Hello friends, my name is Riya Raj. I read in class 7th in BRC Academy. My topic is layer of atmosphere. An atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding the planets and other celestial bodies. Atmosphere contains air that we breathe and protects from the harmful radiation of the sun and keep the planet's heat on the surface and plays an important role in water cycle. Troposphere is the first and lowest layer of the Earth atmosphere. It contains 85% of total mass of the atmosphere and 99% it contains total mass of water vapor and aerosols where that most weather phenomena occurs. The tropospheric processes such as water and formation of clouds and rain called hydrologic cycle. The greenhouse effect have a great influence on climatology and meteorology. This layer has air that can be breathed and the clouds in the sky. The air is here 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. Most of the aeroplanes fly in the troposphere.
Hello friends, my name is Aisy Soni. I study in class 7th in BRC Academy. Now I am going to explain about stratosphere. The stratosphere is the second layer of Earth atmosphere. As you go upward, temperature decreases with height. The stratosphere is where jets like to fly. Ozone layer is in the stratosphere. This layer extends up to a height of 50 km from the Earth's surface. It extends up to a height of 8 km at the poles and 18 km at the equators. Stratosphere is where you find very important ozone layer that protect us from harmful radiation of the sun.
Hello friends, I am Priyansi. I study in class 7th in BRC Academy. Now I am going to explain about the third layer of atmosphere is mesosphere. The mesosphere is a layer of Earth's atmosphere. The mesosphere is directly above stratosphere and below the thermosphere. It extends from about 51 km to 85 km above our planet. Temperature decreases with high throughout the mesosphere, the highest layer of atmosphere in which gases are mixed up rather being layered by their mass. The mesosphere is very important for Earth protection. The mesosphere burns up most meteors and asteroids before they are able to reach the Earth's surface. And the fourth layer is thermosphere. Thermosphere is a layer of Earth's atmosphere that is directly above the mesosphere and below the exosphere. It extends from about 90 km to between 500 km and 1000 km above our planet. The thermosphere is important for all life on Earth because it protects it from some of the sun's most harmful radiation, X-ray, and some of its ultraviolet rays.
My name is Mahima Chaudhary. I am studying in class 7th standard BRC Academy, Rudhauli Basti. Now I am going to explain about exosphere. The exosphere is the outmost layer of our atmosphere. It gradually fades into vacuum of space. Temperature in the exosphere varies from 0 degrees Celsius to over 1700 degrees Celsius. It is about 10,000 km thick. That's almost as vast as Earth itself. Thank you.